Residential care company will pay the state $120,000 for violating Vermont's consumer protection laws.
The Attorney General announced a settlement against Woodbine Senior Living, which operated Spring Village in Essex Junction. Local 22's Courtney Kramer in the newsroom with the details here. Courtney, what happened?
Well, good evening, Lauren and Glenn. The facility misled Vermonters about the level of care they could provide to people living with dementia. Today, family members of those residents spoke of the devastation it caused them.
I'm still deeply saddened and troubled by what occurred, not only for my family, but for others who had a family member at Spring Village.
Bruce Bonamini said he visited at least 30 facilities in order to find the best care for his wife Phyllis, who was suffering from Alzheimer's. It was the promises made by Woodbine Senior Living that he says were a critical factor in deciding to take her to Spring Village in Essex Junction.
No person should have to deal with the kind of uncertainty that Spring Village families faced.
Spring Village marketed itself as a memory care facility for Vermonters living with dementia and Alzheimer's. Attorney General T.J. Donovan says people like Bruce and other Vermonters were deceived.
They lied, they put people at risk. That's why they violated Vermont's law.
Donovan says Woodbine violated the Consumer Protection Act, impacting families who were dependent on a facility that could accommodate the progressive disease through all stages. Up to 48 families received discharge notices when the patient's needs exceeded what Spring Village could provide.
We hope that when we place our family members in residential care, which is so costly that it depletes an entire life savings, that the facility will actually be equipped to provide the care that they promise.
As a result of the settlement, Woodbine will never operate a long-term care facility in Vermont again. They will also pay a sum of $120,000 to the state and the families affected.
This isn't just a matter of marketing, it's a matter of public health and public safety. It's a matter of dignity.
There are 13,000 people in Vermont living with Alzheimer's or dementia. The AG's office has also released an educational guide explaining the differences between nursing homes and other assisted living facilities in an effort to protect those vulnerable Vermonters. Live tonight in the newsroom, Courtney Kramer, Local 22 News.
All right, thank you, Courtney.